Every time I enter a model in a scale model contest, whether it be a car, a tank, a truck, a Gundam, it doesn't matter what it is, I always seem to get this question. What type of glue do you use? And why? Well, in this video, I'm going to answer the question of what type of glue I use and why. Okay, I made a trip down to my local hobby shop to actually pick up a tube of glue, and that's what kind of also intrigued me to do this video after being asked this at the last model contest I was at. I wanted to show you guys really just how many different glues are out there just in one location at this particular hobby shop in Louisville, Kentucky, Scale Reproductions. There's glues for everything and anything out there. You have glues for plastic, glues for wood, those epoxy glues that can be used for a lot of things, your zap glues, you have super glues, glues for 3D printed parts, glues for resin parts, glues for clear parts. It's amazing how many different glues are out there. And again, this is just one spot. I had thought about going to the Dollar Tree and Hobby Lobby and to some other stores that a lot of people are familiar with and showing all them glues, but I thought, nah, this was enough right here to pretty much show you how many different glues are out there. There's a whole bunch of super glues right there. There's a canopy glue. There's a clear glue that a lot of people use, that a lot of people swear by for clear parts. I'm wanting to try that canopy glue out sometime. There's some super glues. Everyone recognizes those super glue bottles right there. All kinds of different super glues. Everyone makes super glues. I've found out in the past pretty much the super glues are all the same. Some people will agree, some people will disagree. But this isn't a video of what's best and what's worst. It's just a video of what I use, and I just wanted to start off showing you all the different glues. There's the super glues I always used to use, those Zaps, those big bottles, and then the small bottles. And before that, it was the glues I was showing you just before that for super glues. But yeah, they come in all different bottles. Everyone recognizes those bottles. Those are pretty popular super glues right there. Reason they're different colors is because one's thin, one extra thin, and one's thicker. I've also got something else interesting for you. Go to the Luka C channel when you're done watching this video and check out his glue video. He just put out a glue video on the glues he uses. What I found interesting is he uses some different glues than I use. And he'll tell you why he uses them. He'll show you what glues he uses. But I found it very interesting where two car modelers use a lot of different glues and for several different reasons. But anyway, let's get the camera turned around and dive into the glues that I use. Okay, again, there's kind of no right or no wrong in these glues because like I just showed, just at my local hobby shop, there's what, 30 different glues to choose from. And then bingo, you pull up your Google glues and just super glue and look at all these. Here's another 20 or 30 super glues to choose from. And then that's not even Googling plastic model glues. And there's another 30 to choose from. So all in reality, there's probably 100 different glues out there to choose from. But I'm just going to show you what I use. I've tried almost all those glues in all the years I've been building models, and I've been building models since I was a little kid. And I'm so ancient now, I think I fart dust sometimes. Man, where does the time go? But anyway, to start off with, this Model Master glue. I love this Model Master glue, but unfortunately, as we all know, this Model Master glue has been discontinued. I loved how it flowed. I love that needle applicator. Just goes out drop by drop, and this was the best stuff ever, and I love it. But unfortunately, it has disappeared, so I had to find a glue to replace it, and I spent a long time trying to find a glue to replace this, and this is what was in the bag that I picked up at the local hobby shop. I found this glue to replace it, Fowler. It seems to be the exact same recipe or same consistency, and I think it works out great. But let's get this opened up and I'll show you what it is. And there we go. That is the tube of Fowler that I really, really like. And that just screws on and off. Pull that off, and there's your needle applicator. And this will just come out drop by drop by drop, or you can run a nice line if you keep squeezing. So with that needle applicator, you get a really precision or precise area where you put your glue, which I really like. But I really like this Fowler, and it has replaced, again, the Model Master that I really like. So I like this one equally as well. And that would be Fowler 170490. Highly recommend this. Now, as far as other glues go, this is my other go-to glue. This Tamiya Extra Thin. And the majority of the guys out there will say this is what they use. This is good stuff. Crack this open. It's a brand new bottle. And you got a little brush applicator where you just kind of brush everything on. Dip it in and you brush it on. Works out great. I love this glue too. And the nice thing about this glue, it'll seep into areas because it's very, very runny. It's like water. Looks like it's filled up with water in there. Where your Fowler is a little bit thicker. Sometimes I use both. Sometimes I'll use this one. Sometimes I'll use that one. Kind of depending on what I'm gluing. Usually bigger pieces I'll use this. Smaller pieces I'll use that. But these are my two go-to glues. Now another glue that guys will say they like a lot is this Tamiya Extra Thin. Is it the same stuff? It's a little bit different. You see it's kind of like a light lime green, where that's a little bit darker green cap. Tamiya Extra Thin, Tamiya Extra Thin, they both say that, but this one's quick setting. I kind of have steered away from the quick setting. A lot of guys like this, but the reason I've steered away from it is because it's fast. Man, you open this thing up, it's got the same applicator, and you go to put it on, and the glue is dry just like that. It kind of goes a little bit too quick for me. So I don't really use this anymore. In fact, I don't use it at all anymore. Is it bad glue? No, it's not bad glue, but I prefer that one better. Now, as far as white glue goes, that's a whole nother ball game. White glue is used for putting in clear parts. You don't want to use this or that or super glue, which we're getting ready to go to, for clear parts. The reason why is because that stuff there that I just showed will fog your glass or cause marks or whatever, where your white glue dries crystal clear. And the reason I like this white glue best, Ammo, it's super thick, and you put it on with a brush. You got to actually go in there with a brush and put it on. So the reason I like this best versus any other white glue is because I can precisionally put where I want my glue. The white glue I used to use is this Model Master, which a lot of guys still use, and I think they still sell this. This is more runny. And the problems I got into is when I was putting this on my glass and then pressing the glass into the body, sometimes the glue would spread on out if I had just a hair too much, and it would run on out into the part you would see once you flip your model over. So there'd be a little clear spot there, which looked kind of silly. So I kind of steered away from the runny white glue, although a lot of guys love the runnier white glue, and there's nothing wrong with it. Again, it's what you like. It's what's going to work best for you. But I have more luck using where I can precisionally put all my white glue, which is this stuff. And again, all this white glue is water soluble, so if you get too much on there, you can easily take it off with water, which is really nice also. But love the Ammo white glue. I think it's great stuff. Just use a little paintbrush and put it on. Love that stuff. The other glue, let's get to super glue. Again, there's 10,000 super glues out there. I personally think all the super glues are basically the same, from the Dollar Tree super glue tubes all the way up to the more expensive super glues that are $6, $7, $8, $9, $10 a bottle. I used to buy the more expensive glues, the bigger bottles, such as these here. and I couldn't even get halfway through them, and they would dry up. Then I switched to the smaller bottles of those bigger bottles. I couldn't even get through half the bottle, and they would dry up. Now, no, I'm not going to stick my super glue in the refrigerator. A lot of people say put it in the refrigerator. Again, that's just me. I want my refrigerator just full of food that I eat. So something that I stumbled on by accident, really from my wife doing her nails and stuff, are the small little metal tubes of super glue. Am I saying that the Gorilla super glue is the best? No, but it's just what I've bought, and it's easy to get, and you can buy packages of them for really, really cheap. So I have discovered that any of your super glue in these little tiny tubes, even at the Dollar Tree, work excellent for your super glue. And that little tiny tube, I end up using all of it, so I don't waste any of it. I was wasting so much super glue in the other tubes, it's unreal. But this is what I like in super glue, are these little metal tubes. And again, you can buy these anywhere from the Dollar Tree to the drugstores to the hardware stores. But that's the super glue I like. In fact, this is the super glue I'm using now, and it works great. It's very inexpensive. That's what I use, and I don't waste any of it anymore. Another glue that people like that I've tried, back to the Tamiya, is this one here. This Tamiya cement. I'm not really a fan of it. Is it bad? No. A lot of guys like it and use it. Again, it's got that applicator. It's a lot thicker. Works great. It's a good glue. But if I'm going to use this, I would rather use that. Just my preference over that. But again, go to Luka C's channel. He uses a little bit different glues. He'll tell you why he uses what he uses. We're all a little bit different. And experiment, guys. I'm not saying these are the best glues that I've bought or use or don't use now. But experiment and see what you come up with. Pretty much all the glues out there are good. It's your own personal preference, and you're going to find out that almost every modeler uses a little bit different glue. Well, I hope that kind of answers a few questions on the myths of different glues out there, why I use the glue I use. Again, there kind of really is no right and wrong, although there is some right and wrong, and I explained that earlier in the video. Also, again, go check out the Luka C channel. He uses a lot of different glues that I don't use, and he's going to say why he uses those too. If you want to see some model car contest footage, check out some videos in my archives. I got a lot of model car footage. Also, if you want to see some of my stash ads, check those out. But I hope that answers a few of the glue questions that are out there. We will see you guys on our next video on Throttle Power.